Hello everyone, my name is Colin Marishin and I'm running for the co-events coordinator position at Asian Unity. I know that events are important to Asian Unity and I would like to work hard to ensure that both the new and the old members of the club enjoy everything that Asian Unity has to offer. Because of this, I will try and come up with unique and memorable meetings for the Asian Unity Club. I believe that having many memorable club meetings and events will be important for building connections with fellow Asian Unity members. This is why I will spend most of my time trying to make sure that Asian Unity's events will be enjoyable for everyone. Personally, my favorite part of Asian Unity is retreat. The retreat has been a place for me to make new friends and make stronger connections within Asian Unity. I would also like to make sure that the Passport to Asia event is memorable for everyone who attends. I will do everything I can to make sure that the Passport to Asia event stands out and highlights what Asian Unity is all about. I'm excited to plan out unique and memorable events for Asian Unity. Thank you. I'm Colin Marishin, and I hope you vote me to be your next co-event coordinator.
Hold up.